welcome to MonkeyArt! Yay! And today we're going to draw a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day, and we're gonna use some cool new markers, and we're gonna need some piece of paper and also one black marker for the drawing part. And that's all, guys. We can start. Let's draw this beautiful, cute cartoon character of Leprechaun. So we're gonna start by drawing his little eyes. We're gonna go somewhere in the middle, and we're gonna draw curvy lines. Let me see, just like this. 1 and 2. Then we're gonna make a little nosy nose, and then we're gonna make him happy. And how to do that? We're gonna make a big open mouth, just like this. Cool. Okay, now we're gonna draw some curvy lines, just like this. It's gonna go all around, and that's gonna be for his little beard. So it's gonna go all around, just like this. Okay, and then we're gonna go a little up, just like that, and more up, just like that. And now we're gonna go a little bit down and create his cute beards. And I'm gonna draw it something like this, but you can draw it differently if you want. That's fine. I'm gonna draw it something like this. Okay, so now we can see his lovely beard. And now we can use this little line and make his ears just like little elves have. So we're gonna make it like that. But if you want, you can make normal little ears. I'm gonna go like this because it seems really fun to draw him like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go a little up and start drawing his hat. So we're gonna draw a little oval, curvy shape, and then we're gonna put somewhere in the middle a little like rectangle shape, just like that. And we can make actually another one in the middle, just like that. And that's gonna be a belt for his little hat. And we're gonna draw the hat like this, and another one, and then we need to connect these two. Okay, and now we're gonna go somewhere around, maybe here, and just make outside parts of the hat, and this one we can just connect, something like that. Okay, and let's finish that little belt, just like this. And there we go, we have his little hat, and he is looking really cute and cartoonish. Now we're gonna go down, and we're gonna create his like a coat. So we're gonna go, let me see, make a curvy line somewhere here. Okay, and then we're gonna go a little up, and here, that. And we're gonna try to draw his little hands and arms. So we just need to make 2 lines like this, and you can add, if you want, little rectangles, but if you don't, you can just use these 2 lines. And then we're gonna make a little thumb, just like that. And let's make hands simple, so we can just draw like this: 1, 2, 3 little fingers. We don't need all 5. And now let's do the same thing on the other side. So we have it somewhere here. I'm gonna draw those 2 lines. Then we're gonna add rectangle and little thumb. 1, 2, 3, and go! Cool. And let's add a little line here and 2 little circles. We're gonna color them later yellow. And what's left to do? We need to draw his little legs, and actually I forgot to finish these lines here. So this is where his hair actually starts. And we can also add maybe eyebrows like that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, and now we need to draw his legs. So we can make curvy shape, just like this, to make it simple. Okay, like that. And then we're gonna make him like jumping or something. And again, we're gonna make that rectangle shape. And let's go to the other side, do the same thing. It's okay if one leg is a little bit bigger. That's fine. We are getting better with each drawing. Now we're gonna draw his cute little boots. Actually, this part of the leg first, and then we're gonna draw boots. And they go like this, and then ooh, ooh. Silly little boots. There we go, we have one completed. And now I see maybe this leg is too long, but that's fine. He's still really cute. And let's do the similar thing from this side. So we're gonna make that little line and then go ooh, ooh. And from this side as well. And you can make different kinds of shoes. You can make those simple ones with just a curvy line if you want. And there we go. He's funny, he's silly, and he's cute. Okay, now we're gonna go and color it. So I'm gonna use, let me see, I'm gonna use first this lovely yellow and this end, or maybe this one is fine as well. And let's color this little rectangle. Then we have little circles here, and you can color maybe 2 little lines here, and that's it. And we're finished with yellow. Now let's use a little bit of orange, and this is really nice shade of orange, and we're gonna color his beard. So I'm gonna go like this and color it. let's go on this side. Nice. And maybe we can also color the top part. No, actually we're gonna leave it for the green color. Next one we're gonna use this is kind of brown, I think. And we're gonna color his little belt at the top, just like that, and also his boots. Just like that. Nice. Let's color the other one. Cute. Okay, now we're gonna use green color. So I'm gonna use a little bit darker first and color his hat. Okay, later I'm gonna finish that part, and let's color other parts as well. Yeah, that's looking really nice. Okay, these small parts I'm gonna finish with the thin side, and let's also color these. Actually, yeah, this part of his pants, and the other ones we're gonna color with lighter green. Okay, this one. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this side because I have these really cool special markers with thin and thick sides. Just like that. So they're really cool for these small parts. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna use a little bit lighter green and color, let me see, these parts. And then we have, let's see, here, color that part, this one, and also this one. Nice. And we're gonna also use the same color for the coat. Nice. And let's finish with this part. And around those little buttons. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna use reds and skin color to color his face. Okay, so I'm gonna use this skin color marker or cream color and use it for his face. And also ears and also hands. Okay, and the top of the face as well. And we can also use it, we're gonna use it for these hands. Cool. And all that is left to do is to color his mouth. So I'm gonna use red and leave some space at the top for his teeth. Okay, just like that. And there we go, guys. He's really cute and he's really super leprechaun. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. You can go back if you need to and color it, add some parts in drawing if you like. And that's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.